Global share markets were pretty soft once again overnight, and this is now the fourth out of the last 5 days that the S&P 500 index out of the US has fallen, and Chinese manufacturers aren't able to export as much as they previously have been able to. In addition to this, Moody's, the credit rating agency, has cut the government credit rating of Spain. They are expecting that the Spaniards have underestimated the cost of a potential bailout for their banking system. The Spaniards have announced over the past couple of days that 12 banks may need to recapitalise their balance sheets by up to $21 billion. The big news for the New Zealand economy on Thursday was, of course, the official cash rate announcement. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand cut the official cash rate by 50 basis points. While most market commentators were expecting a cut, some were expecting only a 25 basis point cut. Immediately after the announcement, the New Zealand dollar did fall quite rapidly, and at one stage was trading at 73.10 against the US. We have since traded back higher, and on Friday morning are trading at 73.60 against the US dollar. The weakness in the currency is a reflection of our low interest rates relative to higher interest rates in other developed economies around the world. We are expecting our interest rates to stay low right through this year, while many other countries are looking to increase rates, and this was reflected overnight when the Koreans increased their official cash rate. New Zealand forestry prices seem to be pretty good at the moment, but it is a tale of two stories at the present time. Log prices for exports, especially into China, are very strong at the moment, and Chinese demand continues to look good and will only seem to get better down the track. However, processors here in New Zealand are struggling, as the processed log market is feeling the pinch at the moment, and this is a reflection of low construction here in New Zealand as well as out of the US market. Some US commentators are suggesting that construction activity is starting to get underway in that part of the world, and they're also expecting to see higher prices through 2011 and 2012. In addition, for us here in New Zealand, while we aren't expecting to see any major construction activity in the short term, the rebuild from the earthquake will see some demand pick up as time unfolds.